afternoon. I'm finally emerging. I've been working on my computer all morning. Got 2 videos done, one partially uploaded. The Wi-Fi on my modem's not that great for upload, so I'll have to do that when I'm in town. And there's the hike from yesterday. I still want to go up on that ridge line over there. How do I get up there? There is a way, I'm sure, but I have to go up that hill. I was going to do a big 6-hour hike today and all that stuff, but I figured one more day of rest. It's Wednesday, and I'm not actually going back into Las Vegas proper until probably Friday. I think I've got one more day of food and water before I have to replenish. So I should have gone, you know, when I was coming in on Monday night, but I was so tired and had a 1-hour drive from the airport parking to here. I just didn't feel like, you know, stopping and going to Walmart at midnight or anything like that. I just wanted to go to sleep. So anyway, my rib was killing me on Monday. But yeah, hiked all the way up there. Sorry, not the dumpster. I'm gonna throw my trash away. Be gone, trash. Okay, and also clean up after your dog. Although he looks like he's trying to go play golf. I don't know what that contraption is. It's bizarre. Anyway, there's Prue. Great turnout. No, this is fantastic. I think just parking here during the day. The ranger was here walking earlier, but nobody bothers you. And it's a trailhead, and trailheads are 24 hours here. There's no restrictions. It doesn't say no overnight parking. Yeah, as far as I know. So I'm going to go park up at the Fletcher Canyon trailhead tonight as usual. And I just moved over here at 6 a.m. this morning, just so I could not be bothered by that stupid guy with the you know, who blocked me in last time. I'm pretty sure, according to his license plate, it said Mount Charleston. So I'm assuming that he's a local, you know, to this neighborhood. But I just don't want to deal with people like that. I don't invite hostility. Anyway, so I got my hiking boots on anyway. I'm going to go do that little walk again that I did yesterday. Not the loop, but I'm going to go hike over to the little resort and go check it out over there and see if the trail goes up to it. So yeah, and also I'm going to recharge my Bouge RV, which did pretty well. It just stayed at 60%. So whatever I was pulling out with the computer, it was putting back in with the sun. So if I leave it for the next like 3 hours, I have a call with Harriet at 5, a Zoom. So if I just leave it for a few hours, then it'll get up to like 75, 80%. And I don't have the fridge plugged in at all right now this entire week. So when I get food tomorrow, when I go back into, I think I'll probably go tomorrow afternoon into Vegas quickly, just, you know, to the nearest supermarket, get some provisions, and then come back. I've got enough butane. I'm down to 2 canisters, so I'll probably have to stock up on butane this weekend, and then also water, food. I need some orange juice. Haven't had orange juice in a couple days. I just had apple juice, so I would like some orange juice and coffee creamer for my chai. So yeah, all my creature comforts. But yeah, I'm glad I'm not actually running the fridge right now, because I just need to charge the Bouge RV. That didn't really charge much when I was gone for the weekend. But anyway, yeah, not very busy. It's a Wednesday. So yeah, I think a lot of people go to Vegas, don't realize they can just, you know, come up here 30 minutes away. There's a little build over there. That's cute. Kind of a weird custom build van. I know, when I have like the van radar, it's kind of funny. But there's Prue, my favorite girl. I still have a lot of like outside modifications to do on her. I would like to get, you know, a wrap done or some sort of design. I would like to put another piece of solar on top. And what else would I like to do? Maybe get a suicide bumper on the front, and some cargo boxes on the back would be great. But that's, you know, years down the road. The van will probably be gone before I even get around to getting all that stuff done. But for now, she works. Okay, rib is good. I gotta walk around a little bit. I've been sitting down all morning. So I did take an ibuprofen, and that does alleviate the pain. And I can only sleep on my right side right now. So usually I sleep on my left side. So everything's kind of upside down. But anyway, yeah, sun feels good. I'm at 7,000 feet, so it's beaten down. But yeah, I hiked all the way up there yesterday, and that was good. I don't feel like doing that hike right now. Plus it's like, you know, 1:30, so I'm just gonna walk over to the visitor center. I don't think they have food at the visitor center. Oh, my rib. Ow. Pain. Pain. It's just uncomfortable. I mean, it's not even broken. It's just bruised. So I'm even more of a wimp. I'm just like, I hate discomfort, you know? A brake is fine. A brake doesn't hurt after you break it. Like, it just hurts when you move it. But this one is just like throbbing 24/7. And I'd really not like to be in discomfort, if that's okay with everybody. I just request that. It's my only life request, is not to keep bruising and bumping myself all the time. But that's, you know, the occupational hazard of having an outdoor adventure life, is you're going to get, you know, either mauled by animals or you're going to fall down in some stupid human trick. Anyway, so yeah. All right, I'm going to walk back over here. This is nice. This is a nice walk, apart from the bit up, apart from all the shit on the floor. But yeah, apart from the very icy part yesterday on the escarpment, the rest of the trail is dry and paved. So it's a nice walk, you know, dog friendly if you have your dog on a leash. And yeah, and over I go. So this closes at 5, I think, the gate. So don't park over here. You know, just park where I'm parked in that big lot. There's no gate for that, and that way you won't get locked in. Okay, well, let me go hike over to the lodge. I actually went to the visitor center the other day. I got a hat last week, so I don't need to go back there. I think you've already seen it. And yeah, let me just up and onward. All right, let me see if I can get to the lodge from here. I'm here. And Eagle's Nest Trail, I already did that, both of those. So I don't know. I don't think I can get up to the lodge from here. I think I have to walk up the road. Oh, my rib. Ow. Okay, let me go in the visitor center and see if the trails that lead up to the lodge, there might be some stairs. If not, I'll just walk on the road. I'm just stretching my legs for like not even an hour. Just want to get out and walk around. This is so pretty. Oh, I love this terrain. I love like the high desert mountain kind of thing. This echoes for some reason. Oh, it's an amphitheater. Oh, that's good. You don't need a microphone. Just stand inside the little spiral. There we go. Okay. This is a propeller from U.S. Air Force 9068. In 1955, a Douglas C-54 departed from Lockheed Air Terminal in Burbank, California. There was 14 individuals, engineers, scientists, Air Force personnel, and CIA officials. I don't know if they can say where the CIA is going. I think they're supposed to be like secret all the time. Anyway, so allegedly there were some CIA officials on the plane. It was top secret Area 51. Cold War projects, and it crashed right here, and there's a propeller right there. All right, that's the path to the hotel. Looks like there's 2 parts, or maybe 2 different hotels, and it's a dead end. They said that I could get up there. They lied. I think I got here. Okay, this is it. There's a big ass fence that goes all the way over there. So I think these are residences or timeshare, but I managed to get on this side of the fence, so yes, legally trespassing. No, just kidding. Well, the trail says to go this way, so I don't know. I have no idea, but I'll take the road back. That's fine. There's wild horses. I keep seeing these around. Hello, horsies. Why the long face? You're in paradise. And you know, paradise doesn't always have to be tropical, just to let you know. Alright, so they have a bar, they have a lounge, and it looks like they have a restaurant and a little cafe. So let me go check out the restaurant. I am kind of hungry, but I don't want to spend a ton of money on a lot of food. I'd rather just, you know, not get eaten by a bear. Okay, let me see what this is over here. This is nice. Very quiet, like very British pub-like. And very expensive. Let's see, salads are 15. Maybe I'll get a salad. That's lettuce, cucumber, tomato. That's just a house salad. Burgers are $27. Entrees are a lot of money, $55. And they have a kids menu. I'd like a kids menu, please. Charcuterie board is 15. Actually, that might be good. I think I'll get a charcuterie board. I'll treat myself. Yeah, I'll get a charcuterie board for lunch, and then that way I don't have to worry about making dinner in the van. Marry me chicken, I don't know what that means. Soup, there we go. I have tons of soup though. Featured soup is $8. Okay, let me do that. Actually, I'm gonna skip eating. I'll eat in the van because I've got so much food to eat there. Let me see what they have over here. I would like a blended drink if they have it. They don't have a menu.